We're here today at one of our Flying Fox colonies installing IoT devices. We're capturing temperature and humidity data, which is going to give us a critical early warning system when we're responding to heat stress events in Flying Fox colonies.
Okay, here we are tucked away in the bush in the heart of another flying fox colony. And what you can see to my left is a Captus S2 connected to our Kallipr antenna, ensuring it can connect anywhere. And then tucked in this radiation shield is a temperature sensor and a humidity sensor. Now these will act as the critical triggers for the City of Moreton Bay and their wildlife services team to identify when temperatures in this area are reaching those critical thresholds and allow them to proactively attend site and protect these wildlife colonies from these extreme temperature events that are occurring more frequently.
The technology we're deploying assists our business. We can set alarms so we know where to send resources, we know which colonies are worst affected. By enabling that intervention, we can assist with conservation and also assist the community as well.
So we've just finished our installs for the day, and as you can see, that data is now already streaming into the City of Moreton Bay's platform, allowing them to accurately monitor the temperature and humidity around these colonies, both in the sun and in the shade. It's simple tech like this done right, which is allowing councils like the City of Moreton Bay to innovate in sustainability and better protect these critical species around us. We're really excited to see how devices and technology can be used in sustainability into the future.